Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tintin, and if you're new here, I share real and honest advice about working on a cruise ship based on experience, not just theory. Today, I want to answer a question I get all the time, especially from first-time applicants. Which experience is better when applying to a cruise ship? Restaurant experience or hotel experience? I won't give you a generic answer. I'll share my personal journey because before I work in Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, I worked for 2 years at Outback Steakhouse as a bartender. So everything I'll say today comes from a real-life experience. Before I joined RCCL, I worked in Outback Steakhouse for 2 years as a bartender. That job was not easy. Long hours, standing all day, handling different kinds of guests, multitasking during rush hours, and making sure every drink and every interaction was done properly. All that time, I didn't even realize that I was already being trained for cruise ship life. When I decided to apply for a cruise ship, many people asked me, restaurant lang experience mo, okay ba yan? And the answer is yes. Very okay. Restaurant experience, why it worked for me. Working in a restaurant, especially in a busy place like Outback Steakhouse, teaches you skills that cruise lines are looking for. As a bartender, I learned how to work fast without sacrificing quality, how to handle pressure during peak hours, how to deal with difficult guests professionally, how to follow standards and recipes strictly, and how to work long shifts with a positive attitude. On a cruise ship, especially in food and beverage, this is exactly the environment. When I went through my interview for RCCL, most of the questions were about guest service, handling complaints, working under pressure, and teamwork. And because of my restaurant background, my answers came naturally. I didn't memorize them. I lived them. Hotel experience also very important. Now, let's be fair. Hotel experience is also very valuable, especially if you're applying for housekeeping, public area attendant, guest services, front desk roles. Hotel staff are trained to focus on cleanliness, attention to detail, and consistency. Cruise ship operate like floating hotels, so hotel experience fits perfectly for those departments. I've worked with many crew members on board who came from hotels and they were excellent at what they do. So hotel experience is not inferior, it is just position specific. Which one is better really? Here's the honest truth, based on what I saw on board. There is no better. Experience is general. There is only the right experience for the right position. If you want to work in dining, bar, buffet, room service, restaurant experience is your strongest weapon. If you want to work in housekeeping, public areas, guest services, hotel experience is your advantage. I got hired in RCCL because my restaurant and bartending experience matched the role I applied for. Reality check. What really matters? Let me tell you something important. Cruise line don't just hire based on where you work. They hire based on your attitude, your willingness to learn, and your ability to handle pressure and your mindset. I've seen people with simple local restaurant experience get hired. I've also seen people with hotel experience get rejected, not because they were bad, but because they were not ready mentally. Ship life is not for everyone. It's long hours, limited rest, and working with people with different cultures. Your experience prepares you, but your character keeps you on board. If you're watching this and thinking, restaurant lang experience ko or hotel lang experience ko, let me tell you this, that is enough to start. I started in a restaurant, I work my way up. and it opened the door for me to work in Royal Caribbean. Don't wait for the perfect experience. Start where you are, learn, improve, and prepare yourself. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, what experience do you have, restaurant or hotel? I'll try my best to reply and guide you on which cruise ship position suits you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.